Hey guys, just got this package in the mail. Let's turn the light on so you can see a little better. So let's open it, so shall we? Let me go grab the scissors so we can bust this baby open. Oh. So where did they go? I thought I had the scissors. Here they are. Alright. Come here, I'm gonna cut it open. I don't know. I'm gonna put it somewhere where you guys can see me. Now I just have to hold it, but I don't feel like holding it, so. Ooh! So let's open it, shall we? And here we have Thomas's trust. So this camera's just not gonna work. Thomas's Trusty Friends / On Site with Thomas on DVD. Let's open the movie up. And here we go. On Site with Thomas and Thomas's Trusty Friends. You excuse me, I'm gonna go watch these. See you guys later. Bye-bye.